In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage inventory and stock levels on Monday.com step by step. If you run a business, manage products, or handle warehouse operations, having a clear inventory system is essential to avoid stockouts, overordering, and confusion. The good news is that Monday.com makes this incredibly simple with boards, columns, and automations. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional inventory management system set up and ready to use. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create an inventory board. From your Monday.com workspace, click on the plus add button, then choose New Board. You can select a main board so your team can collaborate, and then name the board Inventory Management. This board will act as your central hub for tracking all products and stock levels. Once your board is created, the next step is to organize it using groups. Groups help you visually separate items based on their stock condition. Create 3 groups: in stock, low stock, and out of stock. This structure makes it easy to quickly scan your inventory and see which items need attention. Now let's add the essential columns that will power your inventory system. First, add a text column and label it Item Name. This is where you'll enter the name of each product. Next, add a numbers column and label it Quantity. This column will track how many units you currently have available. After that, add a status column and rename it Stock Level. Customize the labels to in stock, low stock, and out of stock. This gives you a clear visual indicator of each item's availability. Then add a date column and name it Restock Date. This will help you track when new inventory is expected to arrive. Finally, add a people column and label it Responsible Staff, so you can assign ownership of each product to a team member. With your structure in place, it's time to set up automations to make your system smarter. Click on Automations at the top of the board, then select Add New Automation. Choose a recipe such as When Status Changes to Low Stock, Notify Person. You can customize this so that whenever an item's stock level changes to low stock, the assigned staff member automatically receives a notification. This reduces manual follow-ups and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. You can also explore additional automations, like notifying someone when a date arrives, or moving items to a different group when the status changes. Automations are what transform your board from a simple tracker into a powerful inventory management tool. Now it's time to start adding your inventory items. Click on the plus Add Item button within the appropriate group. Enter the item name, fill in the quantity, select the correct stock level, set the restock date if needed, and assign the responsible staff member. Repeat this process for each product you want to track. As your inventory changes, make sure to update the quantity column regularly. When quantities drop, adjust the stock level status accordingly. If your automations are set up correctly, notifications will be triggered automatically when items reach low stock. This allows your team to act quickly and reorder products before they run out completely. Over time, you can refine your board by adding dashboards, charts, or filters to get deeper insights into your stock trends. But even with this basic setup, you now have a clean, organized, and automated inventory management system running inside Monday.com. That's it. You now know how to manage inventory and stock levels on Monday.com from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.